Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies, it is at-home self-care time. As someone that has been struggling with their skin since they were a teenager, I am so excited to show you guys something that I have been loving that you can use at home. I kid you not, for almost 2 decades, I have been dealing with dullness, random breakouts, and just wanting that lit from within glow without going and spending thousands of dollars at a facial bar. When I tell you, this mask has been a game changer for me, and I know you guys can see my skin. I am not wearing an ounce of makeup right now. And you guys know I'm gonna put you on when I find something that I absolutely love. So when you reached out to me and said, hey, do you wanna try our light treatment mask? I said yes immediately. Using this mask was not the first time that I tried any sort of red light, blue light, yellow light treatment. I've actually gone to facial bars and have spent literally thousands of dollars on treatments. As you could expect, you have to keep going to these places to keep getting these treatments to keep seeing results, and that can get really expensive really fast. So I have a solution for you guys at home. This is the Ulike ReGlow LED light therapy mask, and no, this is not just another trendy gadget. Ulike has been leading the skincare tech field for over 12 years, using advanced light therapy backed by real science. And on top of that, they actually work with Dr. Michael R. Hamblin, one of the pioneers in light therapy. You guys, this product is actually FDA and SGS certified, okay? Keep in mind, most LED masks only offer 2 light modes, but the Ulike ReGlow has 4 therapy modes built in. That means I'm getting way more targeted treatments in one mask. Setting number 1 is glow mode. This will help brighten your skin. Setting number 2, firm mode, perfect for lifting. Setting number 3, rejuvenate mode, is just going to provide you with a nice natural radiance. And my favorite, setting number 4, clear mode, which is great for acne control. It's basically replaced 3 different devices for me and has honestly already saved me hundreds of dollars in treatments. Y'all, this is one mask with 4 real results. It has 272 ultra-powered LEDs, which is double what I've seen in most masks. More lights means faster, deeper results, and I definitely noticed a difference. Let's just compare it to other masks. The ReGlow has 272 LEDs versus the other having only 130 to 150. One of my favorite features is the 360 mirror reflection tech. So it's reflecting the light back into my skin so no light is wasted. And trust me when I say that's actually a big deal, because most masks will lose light through gaps, but this one, full coverage. This mask can be worn in so many different settings. When I tell you, I will wear this for 10 minutes a day whenever I'm reading books, whenever I'm journaling, whenever I'm just watching movies, anime, YouTube videos. Honestly, I was nervous about it feeling hot or irritating my skin, but it doesn't at all. The 1 centimeter LED spacing keeps it breathable, and the eye shield makes it super comfortable. No glare, no eye strain, and I could just wear this and relax while it works. Now let's go back to my vanity so we can get up close and personal. So I've been using this mask consistently for the last 4 weeks, and of course I recorded some before B-roll so I could show you guys what my skin was looking like before this touched and did its magic on it. Like I said, only 10 minutes a day. And look at this difference. So here's what my face was looking like on day 1. I had some redness around my nose, my chin. I had some acne that had been stuck on my face for the last couple of months. And literally after 3 days of use, the acne was almost completely clear, but I still had the redness. And day 30, redness was gone. And by day 45, I had such a nice even toned complexion. This is what my skin looks like with absolutely no makeup on. There is no beauty filter on this video, as you guys can see. My skin just looks more lifted, smoother, and overall more even toned. In all of my recent get ready with me's, you guys have been asking me, girl, what are you doing different to your skin? Because you just have a glow to you. It just looks overall more healthier, and just like, where'd the acne go? And something else I didn't really notice until editing this video, all of the acne that healed while using this mask didn't leave any dark marks or redness on my skin. Like, that is crazy. This mask has quite literally been saving my skin. Once a month around a certain time, my skin just starts to go absolutely crazy with acne, and it's that time of the month and absolutely clear. So that's more than enough validation that this product is actually working amazingly. So regardless of whatever your skincare concerns are, like I said, this has 4 therapy modes, 272 ultra powered LED, FDA cleared, SGS certified, and something very important to me, built-in eye protection, because a lot of masks do not offer that. And this will only take you 10 minutes out of your day. You could do this while you're just relaxing, watching TV, journaling, preparing your tea. This has honestly become one of my favorite parts of my skincare routine. And if you're new to my channel, let me just go ahead and throw this out there. I am about to be 30 years old. Yeah, you see my skin? This thing works. So if you're ready to treat your skin at home like the pros do, grab the Ulike ReGlow LED light mask and use my code Vanessa01 to save, and they're also gonna send you $80 worth of hydrating face masks. Not only are you getting a special discount, you're also getting $80 in hydrating masks. Like, babe, that is a steal. In my last video, I told you guys I literally don't even wear foundation most of the time, and this product is definitely one of the reasons. I feel so much more confident just going out with just glowing skin 24/7. So like I said, of course, I'm gonna put you guys onto something that I absolutely love, that I know is going to show you guys real raw results. I'm so glad that Ulike reached out for me to try out this product. If it didn't work, I wouldn't be sitting here right now. I'll have the code on my screen as well as in the description if you guys want to go and check it out. Girl, I'm happy. What can I say? What more can I say? Look at my face. Do you see that? But that's it for me today. I just wanted to introduce you guys to something that is actually going to show you real and amazing results. Like, the saying I woke up like this has a whole different meaning for me, because most days I literally don't even wear foundation anymore. I just step outside. Like, the skin looks like I just got a facial treatment every day. Check it out in the description below. And thank you, Ulike, for sponsoring today's video. I'm in love. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Follow for more.